unlike anything that I have ever seen.
It's 2 trips in one. It's a purposeful wildlife boat tour combined with a glacier kayaking trip. The wildlife boat tour is unlike anything else. Super purposeful, super intimate. You got a guide alongside you the whole time. We're going to travel 40 nautical miles into the Gulf of Alaska, which is the most productive marine ecosystem in the world in the summer.
We often see humpback whales, killer whales when we're on the water taxi.
There's harbor seals, Steller sea lions, and then the day's not even over. Then you get dropped off and you have 4 hours to paddle towards and near Aialik Glacier. Sitting in front of Aialik Glacier makes you feel really small.
There's no other way to put it. It is so humbling, so immense. It has a scale of its own. And then watching ice fall off the face when you're watching it calve, it really does have a power that few natural spaces can have over you.
People show up and they're nervous about kayaking in Alaska, and we get that. And so that's why we keep our group size small, so our guides can really connect with people and make sure they're feeling comfortable in the water.
We cap our groups at 6 people. You're getting a much more intimate experience of this place. Our guests get to see more, they get to paddle more, and then they get to learn more.
And there's just something so magical about sitting in a boat, being surrounded by ice, paddling up to the face of Aialik. This is the foundation of life in our entire marine ecosystem.
Being able to feel like you're at the center of an ecosystem is incredibly rare.